Sometimes when you connect your Google or Outlook calendar to GoHighLevel, the sync stops working, meaning new appointments don't show up in your Google Calendar or updates don't reflect in GoHighLevel. This usually happens because of permission issue, the expired connection, or missing the sync settings. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix all of that. And before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to use the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description and let's fix the problem. So first of all, you have to check the calendar integration by going to your GoHighLevel dashboard and then just go to the settings from here. Now look for the integrations. Just click on this. Here you will see all of your connection or the connected app. So you have to be on this Google Calendar and just click on this button. Take me there. Now you will be on this page calendar. Now click on this add new. Now you can see there are some options for the calendars like Google Calendar, Outlook, the iCloud and Calendly. So if you have already connected them, just disconnect them first and you need to connect again. I mean the reconnect. Make sure to disconnect and then just click on this connect. Just select your Gmail and let's continue and again continue. Okay, so our Google Calendar is connected with our GoHighLevel account. Now if you want, then you can add more by clicking on this like the Outlook or the iCloud or whatever you want to connect. Okay, so we have successfully completed the first task. Now let's go back here and just head over to this calendar. We are already in. Now click on this calendar settings and here just ensure that your Google or Outlook calendar is selected correctly with the right team member. Okay, so now here if you want to add a calendar to a specific person of your team, then click on this new calendar, let's say to class booking, then give it a name. Now here you have to successfully add the correct team member. Let's say I want to add this David Paul, and then if you want, then you can change or customize the timing or the date and click on this confirm. The task is select the right person from this select team member. Now click on this confirm. Okay, that's it. So if you want, then you can preview this, but I'm clicking on this close. Okay, so that's the second step. Next step, inside the setting tab here or the setting option, just move in this calendar and you can see there is an option for these connections. Just go to this tab and you can see all of your linked calendar here. Okay, so you can see the conflict calendar also and linked calendar also. Now just click on this advanced settings. You can see there is the option the two-way sync, so just select that and make sure you have selected the right person of your team member. Okay, so I'm just not going to execute automation and click on this save. Basically this ensures that events created in GoHighLevel appear in Google Calendar. And the next step is if it still doesn't work, then you have to disconnect the Google integration completely and re-add that. So sometimes the old permission taken gets outdated and reconnecting fixes 90% of the sync issue. So you can go to the integration here on the settings tab also, and you can just disconnect all of this Google and you can reconnect that. And here you have to just delete this to disconnect the connection. Now click on this confirm and again just click on this add new to connect a fresh one. So after doing all of this thing, I hope this will fix your problem with the auto sync calendar issue. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.